A is for apple, red and sweet. Apple, apple. B is for banana, long and yellow, sweet banana. C is for cat, soft and small. Cat, cat, meow. D is for dog. Wag your tail and woof, woof, dog. E is for elephant, big and strong. Elephant, elephant, trump. F is for fish. Swim, swim. Splash, splash. Fish. G is for grapes, purple and sweet. Bunch of grapes. H is for horse, runs so fast. Horse runs fast, zooming past. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet. Ice cream, ice cream. J is for jelly, wiggle and shake in my belly. K is for kite, flying high. Kite, kite in the sky. L is for lion, roar so loud. Lion, lion. M is for monkey, swing on the tree. Monkey, monkey. N is for nest, warm and small. Nest, nest. O is for orange, round and juicy. Orange, orange. P is for parrot, colorful wings. Talking parrot. Q is for queen, royal and kind. Queen. R is for rabbit, hop, hop, hop. Rabbit, rabbit, nip. S is for sun, warm and bright. Sun, sun, shining light. T is for tiger, orange stripes, strong, big tiger. U is for umbrella, rainy day friend. Umbrella, umbrella, tilt. V is for violin, ding, ding, ding. Violin, violin, music sing. W is for whale, splash so high. Whale, whale, touch the sky. X is for xylophone, ting, ting, tone. Xylo, xylo. Y is for yak, big brown yak. Yak. Z is for zebra, black and white. Zebra, zebra, running right. Yay! You learned so much today. Thanks for watching Giggle Tunes. Don't forget to like, share, and come back for more fun learning. See you soon. Bye-bye!